Introducing the Eufy by Anker Robovac X8 Hybrid Robot Vacuum, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that redefines the way you maintain your home. Boasting innovative features such as turbine technology, iPath laser navigation, and 2-in-1 vacuum and mop capabilities, this vacuum offers unparalleled efficiency and convenience. With its advanced AI Map 2.0 technology and sleek design, this robot vacuum is engineered to deliver exceptional cleaning performance while seamlessly adapting to various floor layouts. Join us as we delve deeper into the remarkable features and specifications of this vacuum, setting new standards in home cleaning technology. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Twin-Turbine Technology. This vacuum introduces an innovative cleaning approach with its Twin-Turbine Technology, setting it apart from its predecessors. With each turbine capable of generating 2,000 pascals of suction power, this vacuum significantly enhances airflow, boasting an impressive 80% increase compared to the brand's single-turbine robotic vacuum models. This substantial boost in suction power translates into a more thorough and efficient cleaning performance, effectively tackling dust, debris, and even stubborn pet hair that lurks in every nook and cranny of your home. Number 2. iPath laser navigation. Equipped with iPath laser navigation powered by advanced LiDAR technology, this vacuum takes intelligent navigation to the next level. By scanning your home environment meticulously, this cutting-edge feature enables the robot vacuum to navigate seamlessly and avoid obstacles in real time, ensuring a smooth and efficient cleaning operation even in low-light conditions. With precision and accuracy, this vacuum effortlessly maneuvers around furniture, rugs, and other potential obstructions, delivering comprehensive cleaning coverage throughout your house. Number 3. 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop. The versatility of this vacuum extends beyond traditional vacuuming, offering the convenience of simultaneous vacuuming and mopping functionalities. This 2-in-1 design streamlines the cleaning process, allowing you to tackle dust and dirt while giving your floors a thorough mopping for a spotless finish. Featuring an extra-large 250 milliliter water tank, this vacuum ensures prolonged mopping sessions without the need for frequent refills, maximizing efficiency and convenience. Number 4. AI Map 2.0 Technology. With the introduction of AI Map 2.0 technology, this vacuum elevates the level of customization and precision in cleaning routines. This intelligent feature enables users to save maps for multiple floors within their homes, empowering this vacuum to navigate with precision and efficiency across different levels, whether it's the first floor, basement, or attic. By storing and recalling accurate maps, this advanced technology ensures that this vacuum knows precisely where it's cleaning, optimizing performance, and saving valuable time. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.58 inches length by 13.58 inches width by 3.85 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Eufy by Anker Robovac X8 Hybrid Robot Vacuum emerges as a game-changer in home cleaning technology. Its blend of cutting-edge features, including Twin-Turbine Technology and iPath laser navigation, ensures thorough and efficient cleaning in every corner of your home. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality, coupled with AI Map 2.0 technology, offers unmatched versatility and precision, while the sleek design adds a touch of modern sophistication to any living space. With its commitment to performance, convenience, and indoor air quality, this vacuum stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to revolutionizing the way we maintain our homes. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.